This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform our sofa deep cleaning services. Step 1. Deep vacuuming. This helps to eliminate dust, dirt, dust mites and other microparticles from the sofa. Step 2. Shampooing. This step helps to remove the germs that cause smells and odors from the sofa. Step 3. Scrubbing. Scrubbing the sofa utilizes a gentle tip for power brushing to help remove the stains. Step 4. 170 degrees Celsius steaming. In this step, steaming the sofa to 170 degrees Celsius sanitizes it to kill germs and bacteria. Step 5. Hot water deep extraction. It helps to remove dead skin, microparticles, and excess water from the sofa. If you are looking for efficient sofa deep cleaning services, WhatsApp us now at 824100032.